In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a rotating animation in Canva step by step. This is perfect if you want to make eye-catching social media posts, animated presentations, logo reveals, or engaging video content directly inside Canva without using any complicated software. The best part is, you don't need any advanced design skills to make this work. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss upcoming Canva tips and tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Canva and log into your account. Once you're inside the Canva dashboard, choose the design type you want to work with. This could be an Instagram post, a presentation slide, a YouTube thumbnail, or even a custom-sized canvas. For this example, you can select any design format because the rotating animation feature works the same way across all formats. After your blank canvas opens, upload or select the photo or graphic you want to animate. You can upload your own image using the Uploads tab on the left-hand side, or you can choose an element, logo, or photo directly from Canvas library. Once your image is on the canvas, resize and position it exactly where you want it to appear before adding the animation. Now click on the image to make sure it's selected. You'll see a toolbar appear at the top of the screen. In that top menu, click on the Animate button. This will open the animation panel. You'll see several preset animation styles, but what we're focusing on today is creating a custom rotating animation. Inside the animation panel, look for the Custom section. Under that section, click on Create an Animation. As soon as you click this option, Canva will start recording your movement on the canvas. Now here's the key step. Click on your image and manually rotate it the way you want the animation to move. You can do this by dragging the rotate handle under the image. Slowly drag it left or right to create a smooth rotation. You can rotate it slightly for a subtle effect, or spin it further if you want a more dramatic rotation. The movement you make right now will be recorded as the animation path. Once you've rotated the image the way you want, simply release your mouse. Canva will automatically generate the animation based on the movement you just created. You'll instantly see a preview of your rotating animation. If you want to adjust the speed, you can modify the timing settings. A shorter duration will make the rotation faster, and a longer duration will make it smoother and slower. Play around with the timing until it looks exactly the way you imagined. When you're happy with the result, click Done. Your rotating animation is now applied to that image. You can preview the full animation by clicking the play button at the top right of the screen. If you want the rotation to loop continuously, make sure your page timing and export settings support looping, especially if you're exporting as a GIF or MP4. When you're finished, click Share, then Download, and choose your preferred file format. For social media, MP4 works great for videos, and GIF works well for lightweight animations. And that's it. That's how you create a rotating animation in Canva using the custom animation feature. As you can see, it's incredibly simple once you know where to click, and it gives you a lot of creative control over your designs. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tutorials in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.